Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use an analog clock on the always on display lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here we scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now in here we scroll down and tap on always on displayed. At the top here you want to tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down and tap on clock style. To use an analog clock there are two styles. So we got the one with a number, and then we have the one with a dot, so there's no number on this analog clock. So select the two options available. If you tap on the more button, there are other clocks, but it is not analog clock. If you happen to tap on that button, there is no back button, so what you can do is just tap on image clock and then tap on select clock, and it will go back to the first screen. And in here you can choose an analog clock type, and after that tap on the done button and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now if you press on the side button and then on your always on display, it will now display an analog clock. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.